What's going on, guys? Naz here on the Spooling Up channel. Got another video on the BMW E46 today. Going to be fitting this bonnet close sensor. So it just sits underneath the bonnet and it lets the car know when the bonnet's closed. But what's happened is my car alarm kept going off. And what I did was I disconnected this because I heard it's a common fault on these cars. So basically the bonnet was closed, but the car didn't think the bonnet was closed. The car thought that the bonnet was still open, so it kept on triggering the alarm. And it got really annoying because I'd be out somewhere and then my mum would tell me, you know, the alarm's going off on your car, or I'd see it on the CCTV, the alarm going off, I'd see the hazards flashing. So I'm going to go ahead and fit this. Fingers crossed it works. But what's happened is since I've disconnected it underneath the bonnet, the alarm stopped going off completely. So I should be able to just fit this and everything should be good. I've not done any electrical testing down there or anything like that. Literally just a simple disconnection once I heard that they fail. And since then, because it's not been going off, I've diagnosed that as the faulty part. So yeah, another genuine bit here. Going to be swapping this over. It should be really simple, and then we'll see if it stops the alarm going off. Okay, so here we have the piece in question. It's pretty simple to remove. It just kind of pops up from where it is. You just got to squeeze the little buttons on the side, and then it should just slip out of place like so. And here we have the old one. So it's pretty simple switch. So I'll just be swapping it over for the new one, and hopefully it's the answer to my problems. Now here's the old one and here is the new one. The part numbers are slightly different, but I did actually get this from BMW itself. So I don't know whether it's something they just changed over the years, improved it, or anything like that. But either way, I'm going to go ahead and fit it. Things like this can become worn after a while. They do look ever so slightly different when you look inside at the mechanism there, but I'm going to go ahead and fit it, and fingers crossed it works. I will be keeping the old one just in case it isn't actually this switch. There may be a problem with the wiring somewhere, but I'll go ahead and fit this new one now, and fingers crossed we're all good. So it is just a simple case of sliding it back through and then popping it into place like so, and then literally getting the plug back on, and we're good to go. Right guys, so that is the bonnet sensor switch exchange now. All I can really do is lock the car. It was an intermittent thing anyway, so I've just got to wait and see over the next couple of hours, couple of days, to see if the alarm goes off by itself. Obviously fingers crossed it doesn't, because this is the last thing I want. It will start to annoy the neighbours, and if I'm not in and no one's in my house to come out with the key and unlock the car and lock it again, then you know it's just going to be something that's constantly going off, and I may not be aware of it at all for hours. So it's a bit of a nuisance, but it's been changed now. So I'll be at home for the whole day today for the next 8 hours or so. So if it doesn't go off within that time, I'll say that it's definitely been fixed. But guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also thanks for coming to watch the video. Like I said, I'll be hoping to get more and more content out now. Hopefully some of my spare time frees up. But again guys, thanks for coming to watch.